For today's look, I highlight the many steps involved. In order for the hairpiece to adhere to my scalp, it requires a smooth surface achieved by defining the thin area with clippers. Using the plastic dome that the Lordhair hairpiece came with, I use a marker to create a template. Next, I clean up the line and cut it out with scissors. I always draw an arrow to the front so I can determine which way it sits on my head. I cut off the extra lace and follow my template with a razor blade. Because a dark brown color will fit my concept better, I color the roots, leaving out the ends for an ombre appearance. I cut celery to use as a stamp to create black leopard spots all over my lightened neon bio hair. Then I use cotton swabs to fill in the blank spots. When the hairpiece is done processing, I wash it out and spray 99% alcohol on the lace as well as my scalp to create a clean surface. I place double-sided tape around the perimeter of the lace, overlapping the edges, and then I remove the protective film. With plenty of mirrors surrounding me, I use a feather razor to shape and texturize the hairpiece. Although I like the hair long and created many potential finished asymmetrical styles, I chose a shorter look that can be styled in a variety of ways.